Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by staking the tent corners firmly, then identify 3 to 4 guy-line anchor points. Once the tent is taut, attach guy lines to webbing or dedicated loops so load spreads evenly. Make sure each cord is roughly 6 feet long. This gives room to create an anchor angle. Use reflective cord for visibility, and pick sturdy stakes driven at a 45-degree angle away from the tent to resist pull. This setup prevents fabric stress and prepares you for tuning tension. You now attach the guy lines to the tent loops or clips, leaving a 6 to 12-inch tail so you can adjust later. Once clipped, walk the rope out at about a 45-degree angle from the tent and drive the stake into packed ground perpendicular to expected wind. Then tension each line incrementally. Do one side, then the opposite, so the load balances. Use a tensioner or tie a taut line hitch. This lets you quickly take up slack as conditions change and keeps the rainfly smooth. You finish by trimming excess cord and securing tails with a simple stopper knot so they don't flap. Once done, inspect each guy line for even tension. Uneven lines cause stress and poor water shedding. Make sure to retension after 15 to 30 minutes and again overnight as materials settle. If a line sags, move the stake outward for a steeper angle or reattach to a higher anchor point. This increases leverage. If a stake pulls, drive it deeper or use a larger stake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.